Before I do that, we have some breaking inputs coming in. The government, we are being told, will now be conducting a fortnightly review of Indigo's operations with specific attention on its hiring practices. The airline has been instructed to deliver all pending baggage within 2 days, charge no fee for rescheduling, and ensure all refunds are processed by 8 p.m. tomorrow. Payal Mehta brings us those breaking inputs. Payal, what else can you tell us?
Well, Indigo has been told in no uncertain words that they cannot take any Indian citizen for a ride, and that is made amply clear. So, it's been told very clearly to them that no matter what happens, at the registered address, the baggage needs to be delivered within the next 2 days, no matter how far it is or how near it is. They'll have to pull up their socks and do this as soon as possible. We also know that the officials who met the Indigo officials who had arrived at the ministry this evening have not minced their words, and they've told Indigo that it is high time that they pull up their socks, otherwise they'll be facing action. To many people who really thought that, probably the government of India was not in a position to get the CEO sacked, they've been told that, the government of India has the requisite powers that are required to do this as well. So all steps are being taken even as we speak now. The civil aviation minister and the officials are engaged in a meeting at multiple levels to make sure that maximum relief and rescue operations, as far as passenger safety is concerned, as far as passenger concerns is concerned, has been taken up at that level as well. So obviously, all steps are being taken. Indigo has been given a very, very stern warning, and it's been told to them that no citizen can be taken for a ride. So, they have to be a professional outfit, and that's exactly the way to survive. So probably if they do not have enough pilots, they need to recruit more. And for many people who are questioning as to why the government of India did not step in, of course, there's been a course correction as far as that is concerned. So what the recruitment drive really is, they'll have to update the government with this every 2 weeks. They have to improve the communication system because there was no communication sent to the passengers in all these days, essentially, as to why passengers did not get a message, Akanksha, that their flights were either delayed or the flights were cancelled. So all of this has been taken into consideration.
I'm running short of time. I'd like to quickly take the discussion forward now. Many thanks to you, Payal, for bringing us those inputs.